Hi class, the last video cut me off just when I was about to write the interval notation. Let me write it here. So the interval notation for this one, is technically all the values towards the positive infinity and the negative infinity. So in this case, we'll just put parentheses from negative infinity to positive infinity. When we're referring to interval notation for the infinities, we never put the bracket because technically your numbers in terms of the solution go all the way to the right, and there's no such thing as a maximum number. If you pick like a billion, you can always have a billion and one, and then it never ends. So that's the proper notation for the last portion of it, which is just the interval notation. And that's it for the union. Remember that when we're referring to the union, you're putting both of these solutions as one. And since technically one is going to the left and the other one to the right, in the union, we're using all real numbers. In the intersection, only the ones that are common to both. So from negative 10 to 6, not including the edges because of the statements of less than, which we end up with greater and less than 6. That's it for this last portion.